Oh, that don't look like a good dinner spot. Oh. Oh, that guy does not look happy. He's like, where's my meal? You get McDonald's guts. It's the best we could come up with in this situation. With all the monsters attacking, we haven't been able to go and get the good stuff. Ugh. McDonald's. Man. Did you at least get me a toy with it? No. I'm sorry, sir. There was no toy within the meal. I'm sorry. They're out of those. Well, fine. If I find any pickles on it, though, your head's on the chopping block next month. Okay, good sir. That whole conversation I didn't hear. Tour of the town. It's a really nice place. She said her house was on the outskirts of town. I'm sure it won't be too tough to find. Yeah, there's probably like, what, 6 houses here? Those pigs? Oh, they're adorable. Oh, look at them. Look at them. Oh, I want one of these. Can I just take it? No, I want one of these. Like, I want one of these right now. It's a small little chapel. Oh, a priest. I am Father Jean. Ellen's had quite a lot to say about you. I understand you're the one who saved her when she was ambushed by a pack of monsters. For that I must truly thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm certain Ella had her reasons for being out so late. She denied any, of course, claiming it was just a flight of fancy, but I feel there is more to it than that. Okay. Digress. 24/7 at freaking church? Man, that sounds boring as hell. And there's none. None. Do you have a name, Nun? Nell the Nun. Really? Sister Nell. Okay. This is it. There she is! Good morning, Idol. Is Doggy not with you today? Idol explains that Doggy had gone to visit with his old master in the Eldrum Mountains. Is that chicken up there above your bed? Why do you have a chicken on top of your bed? Like on top of the top of your bed? That don't make any sense. Doggy went on a journey, found me, we became bros, and he decided to take me back to his town to meet his parents. Nothing strange about that. So, Doggy's on a wild goose chase, and you're just letting him go. Wow. So I gotta use my awesome powers of friendship to go get him. Go find him. Wait, what? How many were there? I'm not sure, but there were definitely a lot more than I've ever seen before. Whoa. A quest! Finally! Wait, what's wrong, boy? What's wrong? Monsters started gushing out of the deep mine shafts in the quarry. We only barely made it out of there alive. But the mayor? So the head miner is helping get the mayor. Why was the mayor in the mine? Answer me that. He's just like, oh, there's not enough paperwork to do since there's only like 15 people in this town, so I'm just gonna go help out in the mine. Okay. Does he get paid for helping the mine? Yeah, I'll help. Quest. You can't deny a quest in a game. And a map. Da da da. It's dangerous alone. Take this. Oh my gosh. He's gonna give me a tutorial, isn't it? Oh gosh. I'm guessing that way is the boat I came from, so I want to go this way. Oh, whoa! Attack of the Flowers. I am not a zombie. You stay away. Whoop, whoop. In the back. Whoop. Around the flower. Oh, you. Yeah. I don't know what to do. Oh, I shot you a monster. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm here to like save everyone. I'm the hero, the silent protagonist that everyone loves. Oh yes, we've been expecting you. Have you slept with the local girl yet? Nope, still working on that. Oh, okay. Well, while you're here, can you go in there and help save the mayor and maybe the boss? I mean, that would be really great. Thanks a lot. Okay, no probs. They need to simplify what they're saying every time. Could just said, "Oh, thanks. Go in there and save the mayor." He didn't have to like go through this super long explanation. Give me his life story. I mean, really. Must be health. Oh. Slashing bugs with the sword. Slashing bugs with the sword. More health. I don't need that. Whoa. It's like a... Oh, that's kind of like 2D-ish, 3D-ish type thing going on here. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna stick to the left. I don't want to get too... I don't want to wander off too far. Wow, that guy take a sword to the face pretty well. Don't run away. It only makes it worse for you. Is this going to be just one of those things like all the keys are like down one path? Hack slash, hack slash, hack slash. Yeah, boy. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, snap. You're dead. All of you are dead. Let's head over here. What was he on? Kill more of these fellers. Come on. I can take you all on. I'm trained in the art of mindlessly flailing a sword around. Only handed down to the greatest of warriors. 5-4? Oh snap. I don't have to start making decisions. Let's head left again. There's something over there. It's the necklace! How do I get over? Yeah, I get over there somehow now. Stop burping on me. Alright, let's keep moving. Hey, oh, what? Nope. In the back. Jump. Stab. Oh, yeah. Skill, bro. Ow. He's just burping on me all the time. Why? Money. Oh boy, I'm having fun breaking everyone's pots. Super mode. Super fast slashing. Oh, he's dead. Let's keep moving. Hey, Mayor? No, Random Meyer. Hey, I'm here to save you. Oh. Oh, this is the head miner. Okay, he's looking for the mayor. He's in serious danger here, though. I can't just leave him. Sword flashes just aren't effective? Oh yes, the key. Which door this one opens? Who knows? Other side, open air strip mine chamber with a big vertical shaft you pass through. There's a room with 2 doors at the bottom. It's the one on the left. Help yourself to anything you find there. But the rest is up to you. Oh. I don't. You told me I'm sorry. So can I can't. So I can't go down here? I can kill things down here perfectly fine. Do I need to go back? I feel like I should though. Because loot. He literally gave me the key to all loot that I would need. Alright, let's get in here. Open. Yes. What's going to be in here? What is this? I'm just gonna stop. Oh, that's not good.